Ever wanted to feel like Iron Man? Then these inventions you're about to see are for you. Meet the Gravity Jet Suit, a suit equipped with 5 gas turbine jet engines that generate about 1,000 horsepower according to the company. The suit, which weighs about 75 pounds including fuel, can run on jet fuel, diesel, or kerosene. Users can control the jetpack by moving their arms, simulating the gesture of leaning on a table. It has a top speed of 80 miles per hour and is technically capable of reaching an altitude of 12,000 feet. However, the company has conducted tests at lower altitudes for safety reasons. One of the unexpected inventions that'll surprise you is the zero-G experience, which gives you the unique opportunity to experience true weightlessness. It's not a simulation, it's real weightless conditions. Above this specially modified Boeing 727 G-Force One, weightlessness is achieved through acrobatic maneuvers called parabolas. Expert pilots perform these maneuvers, which are not simulated in any way. Zero-G passengers experience the true feeling of weightlessness. And speaking of sensations, this next invention will leave you speechless. Through a clever turbine system, the Flyboard Air is a revolutionary invention that must be seen. It demonstrates exceptional lifting capacity, surpassing other methods available on the market. This revolutionary device redefines expectations of personal aerial mobility. However, it's important to note that although its lifting capacity is impressive, its current autonomy is limited to 10 minutes of flight and a range of approximately 4 kilometers. Even more attractive is its ease of use. Following the concept of a hoverboard, it's been designed to be relatively easy to steer, with the natural balance of the human body playing an essential role in its control. This not only makes it accessible to a wide range of users, but also contributes to the intuitive and exciting experience of flying with this device. Visually, the Flyboard Air resembles a giant drone, but it's actually a personal aircraft that represents the forefront of mobility technology. Zapata Technology's vision for this innovative device is described as the most manageable personal aviation system ever created. And another super versatile invention is about to be revealed, so stay tuned. Aerodium Peraton is the world's largest outdoor wind tunnel and a milestone in the skydiving simulator industry. With an impressive flight area of 6.5 meters by 3.5 meters, this tunnel not only offers spectacular dimensions, but also represents the pinnacle of fun and excitement for skydiving enthusiasts. Precisely designed to realistically capture skydiving and flight scenes in cinematic productions, the Aerodium Peraton is the ultimate stage for skydiving fun and a canvas for creating breathtaking shows. Its ability to accommodate up to 8 participants simultaneously in the spacious flight zone allows the execution of the most complex skydiving formations, providing a unique experience for both professionals and enthusiasts. In this expansive environment, boundaries are blurred, and freedom of movement is combined with the thrill of flight, whether for training, entertainment, or film production. And another ingenious invention that'll surprise you, not necessarily practical, but it will certainly help you at home. One of the incredible inventions you'll be proud to witness, the Phoenix Fly tracking suit is considered essential equipment for those who are passionate about terminal jumping and take this extreme activity seriously. It's an inflatable 2-piece suit that has the ability to transform the body into a human aerodynamic profile. This design innovation has had a significant impact on the world of base jumping since its initial introduction in 2004. This suit plays a critical role in allowing the jumper to move as far away from the vertical surface, such as a wall, as possible at the moment of opening. Its ability to inflate and give the body an aerodynamic shape helps improve efficiency and stability during the descent. This feature has marked a before and after in the practice of base jumping, offering enthusiasts of this discipline an essential tool to reach new levels of excitement and challenge in their terminal jumps. The constant evolution of design and technology in tracking suits like the Phoenix Fly continues to drive innovation and performance in the fascinating world of extreme aerial sports. If you can't do it yourself, it's better to hire a flight advisor. I think they'll send artists. I don't know. Inventions that'll blow your mind? Jay's Flight, the world's longest zipline adventure, named after the majestic Jebel Jais Mountain in Ras Al Khaimah, the northernmost emirate of the United Arab Emirates, invites you to experience an adrenaline rush like no other. For the thrill seeker, This exhilarating ride plunges you at knee-shaking speeds between 120 kilometers per hour and 160 kilometers per hour for almost 3 minutes of pure excitement over deep ravines, canyons, and rugged peaks, all at an altitude of 1,680 meters above sea level. Soar through the sky over sharp mountain peaks and glide over deep canyons at dizzying speeds of up to 160 kilometers per hour. 3 minutes of pure adrenaline adventure at 1,680 meters above the Persian Gulf will give you a superhero feeling that you'll remember for a lifetime. Jay's Flight is committed to providing you with the most exhilarating flight experience, following the strictest standards of excellence and safety. The following is one of those amazing inventions of the future that you must know about. It's a dream that many of us have cherished, gliding underwater in an elegant submersible, rolling, turning and diving into a region where very few have had the privilege to go before. With Ortega Submersibles, that dream is no longer a fantasy, it's a tangible reality. Based in the Netherlands, Ortega Submersibles manufactures the fastest, safest, and most versatile submersibles in the world. Professionals from diverse fields such as filmmakers, research institutions, special forces, and offshore exploration and survey companies rely on Ortega submarines. Their mission is not to stop at exploration, but to continue to delve into every corner of the planet until every nook and cranny has been explored. Although the oceans are some of the most inaccessible areas, Ortega is breaking barriers with its submersibles. Like some of these inventions, we have more to come. Speaking of incredible inventions that'll amaze you, it's time for Atmosphere, a 116-meter drop tower at Liseberg Amusement Park in Gothenburg, Sweden, and the third tallest drop tower in Europe after Highlander at Hansa Park and Scream at Hyde Park. Atmosphere was designed by Intamin and drops riders from a height of 100 meters. After boarding the gondola, passengers wait in suspense as the restraining mechanism descends and attaches itself to the gondola. Red warning lights begin flashing in the station area, and the gondola slowly rises into the sky, lightly misting the passengers as it exits the station structure. After a slow ascent to the top of the tower, passengers enjoy a panoramic view of Liseberg and the surrounding area of Gothenburg. After a few seconds, the restraint mechanism releases the gondola. Passengers fall at speeds of up to 68 miles per hour, 109 kilometers per hour, experiencing forces of up to 4 Gs before coming to a controlled stop at the base of the tower. Incredible, right? These inventions never cease to amaze, but the next one you'll see is one of the best. An incredible invention that will really surprise you. Immerse yourself in the fascinating habitat of Australia's most impressive predator, the saltwater crocodile. Experience a unique face-to-face encounter as you are carefully lowered into the water alongside an impressive saltwater crocodile for 15 minutes. The Cage of Death activity offers swimmers the opportunity to get up close and personal with saltwater crocodiles in a controlled, safe, and educational environment for both the crocodile and the visitor. Regular feeding throughout the experience is done in a way that stimulates the crocodile's natural instincts, allowing swimmers to experience the famous bite of a scaly friend under the supervision of expert trainers. Here's an unexpected invention that'll amaze you. The Amphib was created from the Polaris Fib in response to customer demand. It was designed to comply with the Fédération Aéronautique Internationale's ultralight category, which includes a 450-kilogram, 992-pound weight limit. The aircraft has a maximum weight of 406 kilograms, 895 pounds. It features a Delta-style high wing with reinforcing cables, weight shift controls, an open tandem cockpit for 2 passengers, retractable tricycle landing gear mounted on the inflatable fuselage, and a single pusher configuration engine. The aircraft's single surface wing is constructed of assembled aluminum tubes and covered with Draken sailcloth. The wing, with a span of 11.15 meters, 36.6 feet, is supported by a single king post tube and uses an A-shaped weight shift control bar. The power plant is a liquid-cooled 2-cylinder 2-stroke Rotax 582 engine rated at 64 shp, 48 kilowatts. The main landing gear extends and retracts with a hand crank, while the front landing gear uses a ratchet and cable mechanism. We leave the FBI behind and head straight for the slides, because we're almost at the end. Water slides, like many good moments in life, are often fleeting. But one water park in Malaysia decided to extend the experience by building the world's longest water slide. Escape Theme Park, located on the island of Penang, features a 3,645-foot water slide that has set world records. The ride takes 3 minutes and takes visitors down a 230-foot drop through jungle terrain and tree canopies. The slide is constructed of fiber-reinforced polymer to withstand the jungle environment for many years. What's most impressive about the slide's construction is that it was done without the use of heavy machinery, as part of the park's commitment to preserving the natural environment. In addition, the park eliminated another common drawback of water slides: the need to climb to the top. Visitors don't have to climb to the top of the slide to begin the experience, as the park built a 1,378-foot chairlift to take passengers to the top of the slide.